The element boat is trying to get back to the dock over there. Pontoon's out of there. Right in front of that other guy, I think. Okay. The big boat, truck, trailer. This guy's sliding in. Oh yeah. Cool. Bring it in there, Big Daddy. Oh yeah. Big cobia out. There goes the Robello. He's done out of here.
Good, baby. Sit there.
Guy made it in. He's lowering the motor. Bring it in here, Big Daddy. Hey, guys. Hey, how you doing today? Good job.
All right, Marlo.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah.
They made it up to the dock of that other one. It's hard sometimes. I can't hear everybody. Okay, he made it on off. That's a cool little boat, you know? Yeah. One way to do it, I guess. Wow. Come on, Big Daddy, you can do it. All right. Wow. Fast boat slid in. It's almost 3. That's about the time everybody comes back. Okay, they out. Looks like this guy is ready. The boat on the right, he's got his started. The one on the left, he's going for the trailer. The bass boat, he's smoking it up there. Uh-oh, they lost something in the water there. They're trying to help. Oh, their cup or something. Okay, go here. Bass boat out. Yeah. Hey man, stay on out of here. Stay out of here, guys. Bye-bye. Wow, big huge boat coming in, guys. Up in the parking lot. I guess he's headed out. The boat on the far left, he's got on the trailer. They're kind of rolling it up there. Big boat coming. That's the guy running. I think he's going to try to get that.
Did they get the trash?
No, it's in here.
No, it's right there, sir. Right there.
It's too far.
He's going to grab that cup. That's good. At least you think about it, man. Always take out what you take in. You know? You never want to trash up a place. You never do, you know? You just don't. Because, you know, when you do stuff like that, all it's going to do is cause trouble, and it might just close it, or who knows what. You just don't want to trash up stuff, you know? Enjoy it. They're letting you enjoy it. Well, anyway. All right, these guys are up out of here. Uh-oh. I don't know what that was exactly, but hope you had a lot of fun out there, guys. Take her home, Big Daddy. All right. Later, guys. They're up in that big boat doing something over there. Trying to get ready. I can't really see what they're doing, but the camera might pick it up. This camera sees better than I do. Oh, I see another boat out on the river out there. They might be headed this way. There's another airboat going by. Another tour airboat. Wow. They must stay pretty busy. That's cool. All right. You guys made it back. He's on out of here. Hope they have a lot of fun out there. I was very thoughtful, this guy picking up that trash. I don't really know where it came from, but at least he just didn't forget it. See you later, man. Very nice, guys. Have a great afternoon out there. They're putting like that plastic windshield up in the front of that. Is what it looks like. Hey, man! I think they're with the big boat. They're just kind of hanging over there, waiting there. Mosquito guy. I don't know what you can see. I see the guy up in there. He put that plastic windshield, I guess, all the way around the front part. So I guess he'll be making the way over here soon, I guess. Boat right behind it too. Uh-oh. Are they towing this guy in? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Bass boat's coming in, guys. Bass track. Murphy. Cool. Got a range of 33 feet. The other bass boat is almost to the dock. Whoops. Here comes another boat in. Got a bike riding through up there. Always reminds me of the days I used to ride. Some nut job hit me from behind when I was sitting at a stop sign. It didn't hurt me too bad, pushed me forward. I didn't fall over, but it was enough to think about.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go.
Bring in here, Big Daddy.
Sing all them songs from a long time ago. And pine for the
Bass boat's trying to do something over there. They're switching to the other dock, I think. Hey, these guys are making it in. Oh yeah. They made it. Right up there. Real nice. Real nice. Very good job, guys. Gonna go get that trailer? All right. Got the doggy with him today. Here comes those sea dudes in we seen over there a little bit ago. That one bass boat's made almost a complete circle over there. Well, they're trying to get off the boat. Another boat coming in up there in the parking lot. Oh yeah. I don't know if that big boat's right in the middle of everything over there, but I noticed everybody stopping behind them. So I don't know what's happening there, but just getting ready, I guess. Comes a trailer for one of the bass boats. I bet they had a lot of fun out there. Trailer in, that was the other one going behind them right there. Coming to get these out of here. Guys, almost to the car, to the pontoon boat here. Dream Weaver? It was a song years ago. That was Dream Weaver. That was a good song. Boy, that sun's real bright today. The other little boat sliding in. Cool. Coming in there. Hang on, Big Daddy. Gonna go for the trailer. Let it rip, Big Daddy. Comes the other guy right there. Okay, let's see what happens. That little boat on the far right, he's made it in the water over there. The other guy's untying his boat. The other bass boat. Another little boat coming in. Boy, that smoke way over here. Come off that trailer, I think, here in a second. There he goes. Okay, he made it. Another boat right there behind him. He's trying to get in and the big boat's making a move for it. They're all making it, trying to go in the water and out of the water at the same time, guys. Going crazy here. Look out.